Isn't it the worst feeling when your client comes in and you're all ready to do her procedure? You've sat down, you've put your gloves on, and you're ready to work, and you realize that you forgot something, so now you have to stop what you're doing, de-glove, and start all over again. What about ordering all of your disposable tools from many different suppliers and having stockpiles of boxes all over your studio? That's why Tina created the Sterile Kit, which has all of your disposable must-haves for any permanent makeup procedure. The Disposable Sterile Kit was designed so that your procedure setup can be quick, professional, easy, and cost-effective for you as the artist. As you open the Sterile Kit, you'll notice that the tray is wrapped in the table paper. Make sure that you open this on top of your tray so that the components inside do not touch an unsterilized surface. On top, you'll find the disposable bedcloth, which you can use to unfold and cover your client with. You'll also find the disposable trash bag, which you can easily use to dispose of trash while you work. You'll also find a client drape, which you can put on your client while you work. This is great for taking before and after pictures so that they look very consistent. The Sterile Kit also comes with a clear face mask for you as the artist to wear while you work. You'll also find 3 sets of gloves, 2 size small and 1 size medium. The Sterile Kit also includes 4 alcohol pads, which you can use to clean off your client's skin before and after the procedure. You'll also find cotton pads for you to use while you're working to wipe off any pigment from your client's skin. The small plastic cup is used for putting any liquid such as water, cleanser, and green soap. You'll also find a clear plastic pouch, which contains all of your disposable tools. In there, you'll find 1 spoolie, which is great for doing your pre-draw, 5 cotton swabs, which you can use throughout your procedure. You'll find 2 pigment rings, which contain sponges. That's great for preventing spillage. And you'll also find 3 fine brushes that are great for making fine hair strokes on the eyebrows or tracing out eyeliner or lip pigmentation. The white headband is great for keeping your client's hair out of their face and for keeping your client photos very consistent. In the Sterile Kit, you'll also find a sticky ruler, which is great for measuring your client's eyebrows during their pre-draw, and then after their procedure again to reassure them that their eyebrows are symmetrical. The Sterile Kit tray comes with both a wet and dry compartment so that you can separate your wet and dry disposable tools. It also comes with a compartment that has 2 slots to hold your microblades, as well as 1 slot for a permanent makeup machine. Along the front, you'll find 6 pigment wells, as well as 2 shallow wells that you can put either anesthetic or any other liquid products in. There's also a slot for your pigment rings so that you can put them in an upright position to prevent spillage. Each component of the Sterile Kit is EO gas sterilized. In addition to this, each kit is marked with a lot number, manufacturing, and expiry date. When holding a training, students, instructors, and health inspectors appreciate the extra measures of a sterile setup kit. The Sterile Kit is great for your day-to-day operations. It's also great for if you're traveling because of its compact size, or if you're doing a training on the road. It's also great if you have a training class or academy. You can just hand it out to students, and it's great and super convenient for them. All in all, the Sterile Kit is going to make your work so much easier, more efficient, and safe for your clients so that you can focus on your customer and doing your best work.